Hello, welcome to watch the new product introduction of TBK-288L. The new 288L fully automatic intelligent flat panel screen disassembly platform, equipped with universal modes, unlimited expansion, preset constant temperature heating on the foreset, intelligent programmed lifting, built-in vacuum pump with strong suction from the upper and lower vacuum suction pumps, intelligent LCD screen control, easy to operate, easy to use, one machine in hand, no worries about repairing the screen.